How to use business travel data effectively for optimizing the business travel process. Businesses can use travel data to get valuable insights to improve efficiency, customer experience, and decision-making. The 5 top areas in which business travel data can help an organization improve are: reduce travel cost. Travel data can help reduce travel costs by providing insights into cost-saving opportunities, such as identifying the most cost-effective travel options and negotiating better rates with suppliers. Improve traveler experience. Travel data can help improve traveler experience by providing insights into preferences and habits, allowing businesses to personalize and optimize the travel experience for each individual traveler. Increase travel ROI. Travel data can improve business travel ROI by providing insights into the most efficient travel options, enabling businesses to make informed decisions and optimize travel spending for maximum return on investment. Improve traveler wellness. Travel data can enhance traveler wellness by providing insights into average nights spent during trips, time zones crossed, number of red-eye flights taken, etc., and formulating policies that prevent travel burnout and exhaustion. Increase sustainability. Travel data can enhance sustainability by providing insights into the environmental impact of travel, enabling businesses to make informed decisions and take steps to reduce their carbon footprint and promote sustainable travel practices.